This is Radio Mix here with today's story. Today's story, off to the beach, but then ending up in a cart in a chase. Sam had gotten everything ready. He had hired the bus out. He had packed everything, and he was waiting for his friends, Rose, Mike, Danny, and Johnny. They were all going to have a good time at the beach. It was going to be a fun day out. Sam, since he was the one hiring the bus, he took responsibility by driving the bus. So once everyone got in, seatbelts on, they were off on their way. And we're on our way. Off on their way. They were just on their way when they've only just reached the motorway when suddenly something unexpected happened. They heard, they heard police siren going off. Hey, what the heck's going on? Sam said. He said that just as they were letting the police through, they saw another car giving chase. They saw a car giving chase. They decided not to get to the beach straight away. They decided to give him a helping hand. Oh dear, what the heck's going on? So they carried on. They made it. With their help, they were able to capture the evil person that was doing the robbery. And it turns out it was an old friend of theirs who turned bad. I mean, really bad. James. Or James O. So you thought you could do this, could you? Yeah. Fortunately, these nice kids thought they could save the day. Thank you, officers. We'll take it from here now, kids. You go and enjoy yourselves at the beach. Yes, sir. Thank you. So the watch says James was carted off by the police. They made it to the beach just in time. Come on, guys, Sam said. Let's go enjoy ourselves. So Rose, Mike, Danny, and Johnny went to enjoy themselves on the beach. They then heard a wondrous sound, the sound of seagulls calling across the beach. The sound of seagulls calling across the beach. Beautiful sound of the beach. It was a beautiful sound, I'll tell you. Listen to the beautiful sounds of the. Wow. They had a lovely time at the beach. It was beautiful. It was they had a wonderful time. And I hope you enjoyed this quick story. And I had fun making it. So this is Radio Megastar saying TTFN, bye bye for now. Oops, I haven't gone yet. Eh? Haven't gone yet. Okay, that's just a blooper reel, folks. That's part of the blooper reel. Okay, stop talking.